I'm so tired of TikTok and these restrictions. It's just out of control at this point. I ain't never had so many restrictions in my life. Period, Selena. Thank you, Shari. Shari, while you here, you know I'm finna call you out, right? Why we ain't seen you in that bathroom sink? The disrespect is at an all-time high. Thank you, QC. Who watched the Diddy? Oh, I'm glad you said that. I can watch that when I get off. Yes. I haven't watched it yet. Was he on his head? Did 50 Cent produce that? $50 messy. All in that man business. You did not have to make a documentary about him. He could have left that man alone. But I guess he ain't safe. Hey, Pine. Hey, Daisy. But I guess ain't nobody safe for real. Ain't nobody safe. Period. Diddy said he should have left that baby powder alone. He came with the receipts. Ooh! What is this on Netflix? Somebody put me in the game, coach. Okay, on Netflix. Thank you. What's all going on? We doing cans versus laundry. Everything is already purchased, so you know you could just sit back and enjoy the live. Girl, go ahead and get with Sophie. Her website open right now. Do somebody want to give me that reef sponge? I said I wasn't spending no more money on sponges, but she just made a sponge that looked like a reef, and I feel like I need that. This is the can side. I truly feel like I need that sponge. Rita, girl, what the hell? Where the hell you come from? Hey, girl. How about what? How much is it? I got you. Oh, I think it's like $11 for real. It's already sold out, girl. It's already sold out. I'm getting on tomorrow too, though. You ordered the wreath? Oh, I want one real bad. I want one real bad. Hey, Pink Angel Squeeze. Send me an inbox so I can follow you. I'll buy one for everybody. Okay, well, make sure you buy mine first. Okay? Lady Pace, listen. Let me beg for myself first, and then I got you next. Let me secure mine, and then I got you next. Okay? Y'all gonna do something? You supposed to give, it's gonna be Gain and Roma going in on the other side. You are supposed to give with a kind heart. Yeah, because I don't carry on like this. It's okay. Occasionally, you know, I don't know if your mama ever told me, but my mama told me a closed mouth don't get fed, baby. So sometimes you got to just open your mouth and say what you need to say. You never know who's listening, okay? Ooh, good God Almighty, baby. Is my CA down? Ooh, send to my other one, boo. The Sammy paste. My other one is Sammy paste. It smells sweet like watermelon candy. Has everyone ever felt like, hold on, wait. Me too, Shari. And I'm over here looking at my own powder bombs like, Lord help. So what, you come in here to rub it in my face? That you just got the reef and I didn't? You know what? That's why you can't put people on game, because you put them on and then they come back and they try to stun on you. Hey, Virginia. It's very much giving jealous because